buckled before anti-democratic forces. The People's Democratic Party is shocked and vehemently rejects the sudden postponement of the February 16 presidential election by the Independent National Electoral Commission few hours before the commencement of polls. The decision by INEC is a grand plot to give the All Progressives Congress and the Buhari Presidency the space to perfect their rigging plans, which have already been resisted by Nigerians to this point. Our party and the people's candidate, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, have worked very hard in readiness for the election. Our members and supporters, in their millions and generality of Nigerians, were eager to participate in the democratic process, and they had already moved close to their polling units in readiness to vote and defend their votes. In some cases, Nigerians were already at their polling units in an orderly queue in the hope to vote out the incompetent administration of President Muhammadu Buhari. Countless of patriotic Nigerians and families had spent huge resources and made exhaustive sacrifices in traveling to their various polling areas to vote for their consensus candidate, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, only for INEC to announce this devastating postponement. The public space is replete with how the Buhari Presidency